What's up, everybody? I'm vaughn, and in this video, I'm going to show you the only chatbot software that will actually work for your personal Facebook profile. Now, you could be familiar with other chatbot platforms like MiniChat or ChatFuel. These softwares actually only work for your Facebook business pages and not for your personal Facebook profile like this. So this is literally my personal Facebook profile where I do most of my organic marketing from. So I'm just going to show you the software that we built. It's called MeFn EVan, which stands for Message Fucking Everyone. It's a Google Chrome extension, so you're just going to download it from the Google Chrome store, just like this. Once you download it from the Google Chrome store, you're just going to actually log into your MeFn EVan account. If you'd like to get an account, all you have to do is let me know, and I can get you hooked up. So you're just going to log into your MeFn EVan account, just like this. Now, once you actually get logged in, then it's going to actually open up these tabs over here, and you just don't want to close these tabs like it says, because MeFn EVan is actually going to use these tabs to do its job. And then once you actually get everything set up, you can just actually come over here, go to your settings. What you have over here in your settings is you have your default message. Okay, so your default message is a message that's actually going to get sent out to people if you don't have any autoresponder set up for the messages that they actually send. All right, so here you can see my default message. You can put in people's first name or their last name. You can even put in today's date. And then you can set how long to wait before firing this default message. So for example, if someone sends me a message right now and there's no keywords inside that message, they're going to get my default message, and it's going to wait 1 hour before it will actually send them my default message again. Okay. Then over here, you actually have your auto responses. So I've got a lot of them actually set up. For example, right here, I have one set up that says thank you. So if someone replies thanks, thank you, or thanks, they're going to get this message right here. You're very welcome, first name. All right. So I'm going to actually show you this. I'm going to show you this working real quick. I'm just going to send myself a message. Thank you. So I just actually sent myself a message right here that says thank you. And you can see right here, MeFn EVan has already actually responded back to that message automatically and said, you're very welcome. You're very welcome, Ankita, because as you can see, it's Ankita that's actually sending me a message. That's my wife, and I'm actually just doing it. And you can see that she's actually messaged me, hey, and the chatbot has automatically responded back, hey, Ankita. So if you look over here in my settings, you'll see that I have over here something that says, hi, hello, hey. So if she messages me any of these keywords, which she did, she messaged, hey, she's going to get this response automatically that says, hey, first name, hey, Ankita. So now you can see, hey, we sell tier 5 partner programs. Actually, she's messaging me something else that says, are you interested in buying crypto? And you can see over here, I have a message right here called spammer. And if people message me the keywords Bitcoin, Forex, or crypto, it's going to say not interested at all. Thanks so. And you can see right here that it does that, not interested at all. Thanks so. All right. So now here's where people ask me about our partner program all the time. Our partner program actually allows you to sell our software and keep 100% of the revenue and literally start your own SaaS company with virtually no upfront cost whatsoever. All right. So people are really interested in our partner program, and they message me all the time. So here you can see if somebody messages me about my partner program, I'm going to actually send them this message right here. First name, if you're interested, I'm going to put in, if you're interested in my partner program where I give you access to all my software, I train, coach, and mentor and support you, and even let you sell all my software, keep 100% of the revenue. You can go here to get more information about it. So I'm just going to click update. And then from over here, I'm just going to put, tell me about your partner program. So now I've sent this message, tell me about your partner program. And you can see it says right here, Ankita, if you're interested in my partner program where I give you access to all my software, I train, coach, and mentor you and support you. So it's automatically responding to these messages. Now I could be doing anything. I could be asleep. I could be doing other work. And I'm sure you guys know that the best time to actually respond to somebody's message is when they are actually messaging you. When they're hot, when they're interested, that's the best time to reply to their messages. But sometimes you're busy and you don't have the opportunity to actually respond to their messages right then and there because you're actually busy. So MeFn EVan actually solves those problems for you. And MeFn EVan actually makes it very easy for you to be able to actually go in and respond to people's messages automatically when they're actually hot. So you can see right now when people's messaging me, do you have any deals for any of your software? And here it says MeFn EVan's auto-responded. I love building software. Here's a list where you can see all the software I've built already. And you can see right here, if someone messages me the keyword software, then I can go in and actually, just automatically respond. So let's create a new autoresponder, and it's going to be called deals. So I'm just going to put in the keywords deal and deals, and I'm going to say, I love making All right, so here I'm just actually going to put this. I love making deals first name. Just let me know what you're interested in and how much you're wanting to spend, and I'll see how we can make a deal to get you signed up today. So I'm just going to save the autoresponder right there. Now I've got that autoresponder saved, and I'm going to just type in, do you have any deal? So now you can see automatically MeFn EVan is actually responding to these people automatically, all right? So automatically, without me having to do anything, the chatbot is actually taking over. So hopefully you can see the value in this and how this can actually help you. We've got a lot of other cool features being built right now, like broadcasting, follow-up campaigns, tagging, where you can actually tag somebody as an action as part of your auto response, and then you can add them to a follow-up sequence, a drip campaign like you would with an email autoresponder. We have broadcasting coming up where you can just broadcast to an entire group of people. So much cool things that are actually coming to MeFn EVan. Right now we have it listed in beta pricing, so if you'd like to get access to the software, just let me know.